Hi, this is Christine Dunbar from SpeechModification.com, and this is Real World Talk, where we look at TV clips to discover how Americans really talk. Let's take a look at this recent clip from ABC's Modern Family.
I'll grab a chair. All right, that's work. Gotta take that.
Latest?
Yes! Flash flood in the Mojave. They need me to cover it. The water's already red.
Here's a written transcript of what they said. We're going to compare the written words to how it actually sounds when they are speaking. Listen again at half speed.
I'll grab a chair.
I will gets contracted to I'll. Grab is linked. It sounds more like one word. Grabba.
I'll grab a chair. All right, that's work. Gotta take that.
To is reduced to ta, and the T on got links and becomes more of a D. Gotta. That has an American T. It's stopped. That, not that. And take has a bit of a stopped K as it links to that. Take that, not take that.
All right, that's work. Gotta take that. Yes! Flash flood in the Mojave. They need me to cover.
Inna is linked. It runs together. Inna. Need me to is reduced. The U in to becomes vowel schwa, and the T becomes a D. Need me to.
Yes! Flash flood in the Mojave. They need me to cover. I'll grab a chair. All right, that's work. Gotta take that. Yes! Flash flood in the Mojave. They need me to cover the. I'll grab a chair. All right, that's work. Gotta take that.
Latest?
Yes! Flash flood in the Mojave. They need me to cover it. The water's already red.
Did you like this video? See more at SpeechModification.com.